In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce order form to streamline the ordering process for your customers. Let's get straight into it. For example, you'll be able to create a more streamlined order form like this. We can instantly search for products. So we can quickly find and add various different products to our basket. For example, we can add 5 of these, maybe 6 of these, and maybe let's say 8 of these. As you can see, it's automatically ticking these different products, and then we can just hit add selected to cart. And there it's added all those different products to our basket. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aovup.com. Go ahead and download the aovup product table plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. So I'm assuming you've already uploaded and installed the aovup product table plugin. So we'll just get straight into creating our order form. So we'll navigate over to aovup and then product table. All right. By default, we'll see a order form, which is automatically created for us. All right. So we can edit this one, or we can go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this one here. We'll give it a name. It's just for internal purposes. Okay. And then we've got the option to automatically insert our order form on a particular page. We're just going to ignore this option because we want to manually add our order form to a particular page once we've configured it. So we'll navigate over to order form information, right? We can go ahead and drag the different columns onto our order form. So we can add the SKU code. We can add the product image. We can add the product name. Let's go ahead and add the status so customers can quickly see whether it's in stock or not. We'll add the price, of course, and then we'll add the add to cart button. All right, so that looks fine. If we wanted to rename any of our column name, we can do so by clicking this pencil icon. So we'll change this from saying name to product. We can customize the width as well in percentage, and we can add unique class to our column for more advanced styling. Not too sure I saved that. Okay, yep. So I didn't save it. So we need to hit update first and then save. All right, that's saved. And let's go ahead and X this off. A lot of these settings, I'm just going to leave as the default, and you can go ahead and customize it to suit your particular needs. We'll click on bulk add to cart. I'm going to enable the button and the checkbox because I want to make it as convenient for our customers to find what they want and quickly add it to their basket and check out. All right, so we'll say button and checkbox, and we're going to enable the Ajax add to cart. So we'll enable the options. We'll enable the quantities selector, right? Next to the add to cart button, it makes sense because a customer might want to purchase more than one item. For our variable product, we've got a few options. So we can link them over to the product page. I don't think this makes sense in this use case. So I'm just going to list it as a drop down on our order form. Okay, so all these we'll just leave it as it is. Order form control. We can add numerous different types of conditions here. So for example, we can only show products from a particular category that's got a particular tag based on a stock status and so much more. But we're just going to leave this blank because we want to add all our products onto our order form. Product filters, we're going to enable this, and I'm going to select custom here, and then I'm just going to show these options. I'm showing the categories as a filter, the tag, the color, and the size attribute, and so on. You can click on this link here and it will give you a full list of all the different options you can choose from. All right, so let's scroll down. Search bar, that's fine. Let's enable this reset button. We can customize the design here, right? So we can select custom design, and we can even add a custom CSS. We're just going to leave that as default. And then finally, for our performance settings, we can enable lazy load. And we can even enable caching as well if you've got lots of products to display in your order form. So I'm just going to leave everything as it is. Let's hit save changes. Now let's navigate back over to our general settings page. And I'm going to copy this shortcode here. And now let's create a new page. So this is where our order form will be embedded, right? So I'm just going to name this one order form. And then we can just paste in our shortcode here. Let's hit publish and let's view the page. Okay, and this is our order form here. Right, so as I said, we can quickly add various different products to our basket. For example, we can say we want 4 of this particular product here, and it will automatically tick this option. And then once we're ready, we can click add selected to cart. So let's scroll down and let's do this with a few different products. So let's say we want 5 of this. Here's a variable product, so we can choose our color. So let's say we want a green version of this one, and maybe we want 6 of this. And then we can just hit add selected to cart. So another thing which we can do, and I should have done, we can also display this add selected to cart at the bottom of the table as well. So I guess we should have done that. So it's more convenient for the user, so they don't have to scroll all the way back to the top to add it to their basket. And then from here, they can just go ahead and check out, right? So everything's been added to our basket just fine. Let's have a quick look at the filtering and the search. So we can filter by categories. As you can see, everything's happening instantly, right? Which is super powerful. Let's filter by color. So this is the only green variable we've got. Let's say we want the yellow one. Okay. And as you can see, it's already pre-selected the option. So we can just quickly add it to our basket, and then we can just hit reset. The search happens instantly. And to further streamline the experience for your customers, I recommend using our all-in-one checkout plugin. The free version is just fine. So let's quickly enable that, and I'll show you why we'll need it. Okay. So we'll navigate over to AOV up again, and this time we'll click on AIO checkout for all-in-one checkout. We'll click on mini cart. Let's enable this mini cart option here, and we can go ahead and configure some of these settings. Let's hit save. Okay, and now let's refresh this page again. And here, as we're adding these products to our basket, it'll automatically pop out, showing us all the different items that we've got in our basket. So at a glance, the customer can see exactly what they've got and what's remaining for their particular purchase. Then they can just hit checkout, and that will take them directly over to the checkout page. And this optimized checkout is powered by the all-in-one checkout plugin as well. So you can go ahead and download this plugin for free and just further enhance that user experience. One final tip is we can also display this order form on our shop page, right? So here where it says shop page, we can select our product table here, which is this order form. And if we hit save changes, now when we go to the shop page, we'll have this streamlined order form layout directly on our shop page as well. So this just makes it super convenient for our customers to find and purchase exactly what they want.